Hi guys, welcome back to the Braai Kitchen. Due to the cooler weather upon us, we have decided to give you something warming and delicious, a Lamb Korma Potjie.
That's right, and we decided to be a little less conventional than traditional potkiekos, so we went through our Braai recipe books and found a recipe in one of Jan Brai's books that sounded so tasty, we decided to do it today. So the korma has been around since before the use of electricity, so we thought it would be fitting and true to its origins of preparing it over the fire. So korma is traditionally made with either lamb or goat. We're using lamb today and we're using lamb leg chunks.
So let's start the process. We will describe to you how we're going to do this. And thank you for Master Barbecue, who supplied us the hardwood charcoals.
We actually really love this charcoal. It's nice and solid. It gives a lovely aroma when you're cooking with it, which imparts into the food, and it burns for a really long time.
And the chunks are heavier than normal chunks and gives us more heat. And currently this is the best lump charcoal we have tried.
Yeah.
So guys, we are ready. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the potjie adapter, put it into the Kamado. With that today, we're going to use a cast iron enameled potjie. What's nice about the cast iron enameled potjies is they are colorful, that you don't have to pre-cook them in and you don't have to cure them afterwards.
Yeah, they're great. And thanks to Joburg Braai Fireplaces for providing us with this awesome green potjie that we are using today. Some butter. So we've got our Kamado up to 200 degrees. We're going to flash fry the meat just to brown it on both sides. So guys, for this step you want the flames to be licking the bottom of the potjie to make it nice and hot.
Okay guys, so we are prepared to take off the meat to let it rest, and then we're going to start browning the onions.
Okay, so we've got some garlic, some ginger, some cumin, coriander, and cayenne pepper. We also have some cinnamon, cardamom pods, and clove.
So guys, we're going to add those spices now, but make sure that if the spices are too dry, that you can add a little bit of water. Make sure that you don't burn the spices because it will give you a better taste. a little bit of water, please. This smells absolutely wonderful. Can you smell it, Adrian?
Yep. Those aromas are being very kind to my nostrils at this point. And those flavors are being nicely activated by the heat, which is what you want. So in goes the lamb from step 1, along with all the juices that have formed in there. Yummy.
Just really giving it a stir that it can start to mix properly, Adrian.
Okay. Then we're going to add our tomato paste.
You can add the tomato paste.
Okay, still like so.
The tomato paste, they say use 2 double shot glasses of tomato paste. This flavor is coming in through now very nicely.
It's time to add our yogurt in. Just want to stir it a little bit.
Quickly stir it before you add more. So guys, we're gonna let it simmer now for 30 minutes with the lid on.
Guys, we've been in for a total of 2 hours and we've been cooking at 150 degrees. Now's the time you want to taste your potjie and season if it needs it. So guys, we're serving this on a bed of basmati rice with freshly chopped coriander and sambals. It's time to taste.
One, we can go another cheers.